guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new portable jump starter. I don't want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. It's definitely nice to have. So here's the device itself. Got the power button right here. It lets you know exactly how much battery it has. And then right here you have two USB outputs, so this also does serve as a power bank. And this is where we will hook up our jump starter cables, flashlight as well. So let's see. All right, there we go. So if you hold this button right here, that'll go ahead and fire up the flashlight right there, which it does have different modes. So like I said, if it's dark out and you're trying to see something underneath the hood, this will definitely come in handy. So let's see what else it came with. So it's got the user manual. The jump starter cables to charge it with the cigarette lighter, I believe. Type-C cable. And then this very nice carrying case for it. So you can just put it underneath your car seat or the trunk or anything like that. So let's just hook it up real quick just so you can see how it works. So you'll go ahead and take these cables right here, and then we're gonna plug them in right here. You can see it beeps, letting you know it's ready to go. It's got the light letting you know it's ready to go. All right, so I got it hooked up. As you can see, it is still blinking, not ready. Reason being is this has to be charged to at least 60% in order for it to be good to go. But like I said, I don't have a dead battery at the moment, but this is simply how you hook it up. There, once you got it hooked up, have this charged to at least 60%, fire the car right up, and it'll be good to go. So very, very cool, simple to use. The red with the red, the black with the black, super simple to use. So now let's go ahead and actually use the power bank option, which I did want to show on this side right here. This is where you will charge it as well. All right, so let's go ahead and actually try out the power bank option. So we'll go ahead and hook up my Apple Watch to it. Like I said, you still have one more right there. Hook this up to the back. And there it is, charging right up. So even in case of an emergency, your phone, tablet, anything dies, just hook it up to here and get it powered up as well. So if you guys are looking for a new jump starter with power bank, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours.